Hi folks, today in this particular video, I wanted to share you the key insights basically. For that particular reason, I'm recording this particular video. Okay, I'm right now. I have done lot of things, software engineering things, and I'm well equipped enough to give a career guidance and uh, giving them mentoring sessions and crafting the resumes as a whole basically. Okay, so I know the things now well equipped enough like what is happening in industry and what things what not and everything. We i i know the things best in the industry as a whole. Okay, so let me introduce you with my top mate profile, so you will get to know what I do, what I am going to offer in this particular video. So in this particular video, I wanted to offer you that you can connect with me. You can connect with me with like I got a lot of bookings that to make me a lot of confidence in me that I can provide lot of things, lot of brings a contribution within uh, community, and I can offer best out of the services for you guys. Okay, so as a whole, you can ask me anything. Okay, you have a questions what you wanted to be discovered the things, and if you need to discuss about the career guidance, if you need to discover your call, I don't know where to go, where I need to get things to be done, the things we can do have a things. Okay, so resume review is also there right now. The peoples are quietly coming up to the things now. Okay, so these are the things I am currently offering for you folks. So there are 4 5 bookings that I got currently, uh, bookings I got the things right now. So I wanted to say one thing. I wanted to show you one testimonial, video testimonial, so you will get to understand the things. Okay, there is one guy, one student of me called Rakesh. I understand his problem, what he wanted to discuss. Let me share you the insight in this particular video.
Hey, I'm Rajesh. I have taken call from Akash for my career guidance. It's helped me a lot because when we had a conversation between us, first Akash understand my problem, then taken some solution to that, and we have a conversation for another 3 4 days also, so he can understand my problem clearly where my skills lacking. This helps me a lot, and what can I can focus on things it is useful in my career, and it's helping me a lot. And we have a very friendly conversation. There is no serious on that. He never take any serious because we have very friendly conversations, and he gives some task also. So if you follow the task, that helps you very lot. And because what I'm here today, because of him, uh, past 3 4 days onwards, he understand my problems, where I am lacking, and he gives some insights that that's not related to not related to technical stuff, that are the skills that required when we work from any working place. That skills also required. He gives some insights to that also.
Yeah, you have seen this particular thing, right, folks? So this is what the testimonials I am currently offering you for you folks. You can just book a call, like just give a call. So you will get to understand like where you are lacking basically. Okay, so no one is doing this particularly. So each and every edtech is take a course, take this course. No one is focusing on the fundamentals. Okay, so you can just reach out to me. You can reach out over a LinkedIn. My LinkedIn ID is like this. LinkedIn. You can reach out with my this linkedin.com slash and akashavant, and these are the things. So everyone is thinking about making money out of it. No one is thinking about how can I bring a value to a student, right? So these are the things. You can connect with me. All right, so you will get, like, you can book a consultation. You will get all the things over here. So you can just do this particular thing, folks. So this is what I wanted to share. This is what I can brings real value into use, that you will be going to get lot of things, a real value out of it. That's it about this particular video I wanted to share in a YouTube channel.